So today I want to focus towards JavaScript. So as I told you that if you want to become a good web developer, you must be familiar with three languages: HTML, hypertext markup language, and CSS, JavaScript. So JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language for web. Okay, will be used for web development. Okay, next. So let us see. Start learning JavaScript. Start learning JavaScript. So here, first of all, so as I told you that JavaScript code will be inserted in HTML. Okay, in between of scripts. So start script and end script. In between, JavaScript code will be inserted in HTML. So one of the JavaScript HTML method is get element by ID. This method mostly used. Okay, this is called JavaScript HTML method out of many methods. So this method, what it does, this method finds an HTML element. Okay, so that element which is with the ID demo, okay, and changes the element content. It finds the HTML element and changes the element content. Okay, hello JavaScript. So the content will be changed to hello JavaScript. Okay, let us see. Code is like this. Try to understand here. This is so document way, because document is your HTML document. So document dot get element by ID. This is the one of the method of your JavaScript HTML method. So this method finds the HTML content which is with the ID demo and it changes its content hello JavaScript. Okay, it changes the hello JavaScript code. Now let us see what happened here. If I run this code, see here what happened. So this is what here doc type means this is HTML declaration, means this is called HTML declaration. Declaration indicates that this is the HTML page. So next, this is called HTML section, otherwise HTML root element. So root element starts with the start tag and ends with the last end tag. So whenever start tag is started, finally we need to close with the end HTML end tag. So this is called HTML root element, and started with the start tag, then after body start tag. So once body is started, it is to be closed at the end of the page before your HTML end tag. Then after, let us see that then header, this is the header section, started with h2 tag, start tag. This is the content. What can JavaScript do? So here, this is the content. Content can be changed. What can JavaScript do? So if you write what can Java do, if you run this, you will see what can Java do. Okay, this the content can be changed as per your. So once header is started, so that the header to be closed. Okay, header to be closed with the end tag. This is the start tag. Then page within the paragraph. Another paragraph, as I told you that the method, that JavaScript method, the HTML method, so it will change the content of finds the HTML element and changes the content. So JavaScript can change HTML content. This is the content. Okay, JavaScript can change HTML content. So ID is equal to what? Demo. So now paragraph started and paragraph closed here. Now button button started, button type is equal button, and now event is equal on click. On click is equal document, means document is HTML document dot method. This method so get element by ID. This is the JavaScript method. It will find the HTML element with the ID demo and changes the content to JavaScript. Hello JavaScript. Okay. So button closed. This is the syntax. The body closed, HTML closed. Now see what happened. So JavaScript accepts both double and single quotes. Whenever you want to keep this is what string type. So we can JavaScript accept both the single and double quote. Doesn't matter. Okay, here you can keep double quote, single quote. No issue. So document dot get element by ID is a method of your JavaScript HTML method used to find the HTML element to change the content. So now whenever we run this, under this is the syntax. Okay. So now let us try to understand that what happened. What JavaScript will be used to change the HTML content. Okay, JavaScript will be used to change HTML content. This is one example. So one more example, JavaScript will be used to change the attributes. JavaScript will be one more example is what JavaScript change HTML attribute values. So to change HTML attribute values, see code is what, source is what, an attribute. So for image tag, how it will change the attribute value. Here see, a bulb is here, turn on the light, the bulb will be light, turn on and turn off. So for this the code is what, try to see. So here this is the code under the document HTML. So under this is the paragraph. JavaScript can change HTML attribute values. Here it is also one more paragraph. In this case JavaScript changes the value of the source. Source is what, attribute. So its value will be changed. Okay, let us see how. So now what, button. So event is what, on click. So document dot get element by ID is the method. So here ID is equal my image dot source. Okay, attribute is equal pick dot bulb on. Attribute on. So turn on the light. Next image ID, my image, source is equal to attribute, value is equal to off. Okay, style, this is the style. So understand. So button, this is the code what happened, right? And then body closed and HTML closed. So here whenever you run this code, turn on the light will be turned on. This is the, so here what happened, try to see. So what can JavaScript do? On the web page you will see this. So JavaScript can change HTML attribute. This is the content kept in paragraph, first paragraph. Second content kept in second paragraph. This is also content. In this case JavaScript changes the value of the source attribute of an image. So here click on this button, turn on, this is the button, turn on the light. Okay, so whenever you click on the button,